Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about Dasher Platinum Pass on Doordash. Doordash has always pushed their reward systems as methods to continue to push drivers to accept more orders, and most drivers have even become fearful to fall below the platinum threshold, and now is offering a new form of reward, which is the Platinum Pass. I've already developed opinions on this, but I do want to talk about it. So with that said, we are talking about everything you must know about the Dasher Platinum Pass, what they are saying versus how it actually is, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain is never intended to be legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be clear that everything that we're going to be going over is very market to market and case by case, and what applies to me and my market and my situation may not apply to you. So with that said, let's get started. Select Dashers in the new Dasher Rewards program may be eligible for a new perk, Platinum Pass, where Dashers have the opportunity to earn free weeks of Platinum status. This is certainly an interesting benefit. I would imagine those who are actively pursuing platform and trying to maintain that status would find it useful. Like if it's actually that bad and that hard to get on the scheduling system, you could keep Platinum, just make sure you're not losing your ability to schedule. That said, I've never been someone to chase after programs like this, so I wouldn't know firsthand. I used to do that when Top Dasher was a thing, and then I found I made more money by being more selective with rewards. To see if you are eligible to earn this reward, you can check the ratings tab in the app to see if this reward is listed. The following information is only applicable to Dashers who are eligible to earn and redeem this new reward. This is interesting because I can't tell if this is a pilot program or a market-to-market promotion from all of this, because how loose is the term eligible within this company, right? How does the reward work? This reward allows Dashers to earn free weeks of platinum status for every 4 consecutive weeks of platinum status maintained, called a Platinum Pass. When redeemed, this free week of platinum status guarantees Dashers to access to platinum level rewards for the 7 days following without needing to meet the ratings requirements. So is that 4 consecutive weeks counting previous weeks, or like every 4 weeks they're going to do some sort of check and decide whether or not they're going to give you a Platinum Pass? Also, if I use this during the week where I'm not eligible and then finish the value of the Platinum Pass, being that full week, with the eligible criteria, do those days where I am Platinum count towards the 4 weeks, or do I need to maintain it during the course of which I have it? I feel like this is also a benefit that wouldn't be all that useful in practice, because a Platinum Dasher is going to maintain their stats to keep getting more passes and will be inevitably uninterested in using it. Like, they're not going to ruin their status just to use the Platinum Passes. Like, for any of my gamers out there, this is kind of like how in RPG games for people, they farm all these coins expecting to use it for some big purchase towards the end of the game, or save an item they were definitely going to need later and then never use it. For a less nerdy example, it is like you're saving all these points from a loyalty program for a restaurant or a store, and instead of using them to buy some free items for a rainy day, and instead of using them for some free items offered by that restaurant, you save them for a rainy day and then never use them. I'm not saying saving is bad, but didn't you notice those points actually expire? There is a method to promos like this. There is a reasoning and a science behind it. What does Platinum Pass mean? For that week, Dashers who have redeemed the reward will automatically qualify for Platinum status without needing to meet the requirements. This will give you access to the Platinum level rewards available in their area, which can be found in the ratings tab in the app. Once redeemed, you can track your progress and find the expiration time for your Platinum Passes under the unlocked reward section in the app. Depending on your area, Platinum level in the Dash Rewards program gives you access to rewards like priority access to Dash Now, top priority to high-paying offers, priority access to large orders, early access to scheduling, VIP support, and discounts on DoorDash. To see what rewards are available at Platinum level in your area, you can check the ratings tab in the Dasher app. I feel like that's a redundant explanation of what Platinum rewards are. Like if anyone who is a Platinum Dasher, like anyone who's an active Platinum Dasher, they're gonna know what those rewards are, especially if they are consistently and actively trying to qualify for them. And those who cherry pick aren't even gonna care less. And everyone else is kind of just doing gig work for the side money, is not taking it seriously enough. It's amazing how these are factioned out. How do I unlock a Platinum Pass? Dashers must maintain their earnings at Platinum level for 4 consecutive weeks to unlock 1 free week of reward. Any weeks prior to when this reward has been activated will not count towards the 4 consecutive weeks needed to unlock another free week. This answers some of the questions I asked earlier, and it makes sense in my opinion. The Dasher Rewards program of today and the Top Dasher system of yesterday are 2 different worlds, because one acts in real time and the other renewed itself at the beginning of every month. That said, if they kept counting past weeks in real time, it would be reasonable to guess that they would just keep pumping out Platinum Passes every day to the same person, ruining the point and the value of them. And if they operated like a Top Dasher system, they would just be going backwards. How can I redeem a Platinum Pass? Dashers who have earned any Platinum Passes will see this unlocked reward in the ratings tab in the app, which will show how many weeks have been earned and how many are available to be redeemed. The Platinum Pass reward can only be redeemed when your current ratings do not already qualify you for Platinum. To use this reward, you could tap on the reward on this page and click Redeem, which will automatically grant you access to the Platinum level for the following 7 days. Only 1 Platinum Pass can be redeemed at once. Okay, well, it's good to know that these Platinum Passes can be stored and saved. That's important to note. But then again, this is really only good if you've been stacking them up for a long time and then you suddenly decide to profit. People who do not prioritize Platinum aren't going to be concerned if they don't make it again, because they aren't prioritizing profits. They are making sure they can maximize the earnings they have beyond DoorDash as well. We're going to talk about that later. What happens after I redeem a Platinum Pass? After your Platinum Pass is expired, your ratings at the point of expiration will determine which level in the Dasher Rewards program you are in. To see what ratings qualifications in your area, please check the ratings tab in the Dasher app. That's not too surprising. If you weren't Platinum before going into this, you will make Platinum. And after those days, if you don't have the credentials to maintain your stats to qualify you to maintain the status of Platinum, you will either be Gold, Silver, or none of them, which is, again, not surprising. How can I track my progress towards earning more Platinum Passes? To track how many Platinum Passes you have earned with this pilot reward, you can tap on Platinum Pass under the ratings tab in the app. You can see how far away you are from earning the next Platinum Pass and how many weeks you currently have available on this page. I imagine if you use one up, you are free to use another again without recourse if you have. So like you use 7 and you have another one saved up, you can just use it again. But that's if you're using that, and most people who would be using it that way are probably never gonna go after Platinum after that point, so they're just using it while they can. What happens if I dash in multiple locations? As long as you are maintaining Platinum consecutively when dashing, this will be counted towards your consecutive weeks of Platinum regardless of where you dash. Please note that if you are completing deliveries in New York City, eligibility for certain Platinum level rewards may not extend to the free week period due to local regulation. That's really important to know if you're a travel dasher or you dash in multiple areas, because you could use those Platinum rewards there. I'm also curious to see, like, hey, if you're in a market to where Platinum Passes aren't really a thing yet, are you still able to use them? I don't know. How long do I have before my Platinum Pass expires? Each Platinum Pass will expire 2 years after you earned it. Make sure to redeem it before then in order to enjoy the benefits of the Platinum Pass. Well, that is a much longer time frame than I thought it would be, but that also means that they assume you won't be keeping Platinum for long. Potential for stupid games. Remember, in order for you to get a Platinum Rewards Pass, you need to maintain Platinum for 4 consecutive weeks. For those who have really good stats, that's fine. fine. But for those who have been getting hit with those on-time ratings or a customer rates you badly just at the worst time, it is going to be more difficult than just having a high acceptance rate. I can absolutely imagine someone staying on the edge towards the 3 weeks going on 4 weeks range, and then something stupid happens, causing people to lose it, and it starts an uproar online. Don't lower your standards. I am a firm believer in cherry picking, and it's been proven by experienced dashers, and even today, that no one should be accepting bad orders. People keep making money even without platinum status. So getting a pass just to get platinum passes in the future just doesn't seem to be worth the chase, in my opinion. Free platinum passes in the future? Back in the day, DoorDash used to be big on just giving Top Dasher away for like a month after doing like certain amount of shop orders or something like that. And it was considered a promotion if people fulfilled some certain criteria. And while I can't guarantee that, there might be something in the future that will incentivize Dashers to pick up platinum passes without even working on platinum itself. Still not as good as multi-apping. I said it once and I'll say it again. No matter what promotion they offer, it will never be as good as multi-apping. That means having a diversified gig portfolio, making sure you always have access to the best possible opportunities on any and all platforms. That means developing an exit strategy. Remember, the gig economy is an income bridge to what would be a long-term goal and not simply the goal. And another source of which you can learn from other people are communities that are built around teaching you to become a better gig worker. And one of the best places you could accomplish that is through the Driven Wyld Discord server. The Driven Wyld Discord community is exclusive for gig workers looking to expand their knowledge and expertise in their self-employment and entrepreneurial journeys. I've partnered with high-level professionals to bring you some of the most exclusive benefits based on your personal needs as a gig worker. Exclusive professional opportunities and gig postings. More live streams with high-level professionals in our industry. Educational systems designed to help you build your own dispatch company as well as other scalable opportunities. By the way, one of those scalable opportunities that we talk about is building your own delivery service provider. We are changing the game and transforming how businesses serve customers, and now gig workers get greater opportunities. So whether you're a gig worker looking for more opportunities to earn or an exit strategy because the gig economy is an income bridge to what would be a long-term goal and not the goal, if you would like to see something with more growth potential and scalability, there's something here for you. Check the link in the description to get started with making the most amount of money in the least amount of time and in the safest possible way. We are excited and looking forward to helping you secure your financial future. If you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns about the platinum passes on DoorDash, make sure to leave them in the comments below or email me about them at drivenwyld@gmail.com. And who knows, maybe you'll get shouted out in a video as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.